Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.7. Question number 5. Determine the greatest three-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So, first we find greatest three-digit number. What is greatest three-digit number is 999. Okay. After this we find LCM of 8, 10 and 12. Here LCM of 8, 10 and 12. We find LCM of these number by division methods. Okay. So we write in this number in a row 8, 10, 12. Okay. And now we select or choose a smallest prime numbers. So which divides at least two given numbers. So we select 2. Okay. So 2 divides 8 4 times, 10 5 times and 6. Okay. 12 in 6 times. Clear? Now we select the prime numbers who divide at least two given numbers. So here you can see here 4 and 6 are divisible by 2. So we select 2 as a prime numbers. So divide 2 times, and 5 is not divisible by 2. So we write 5 as it is, and 6, 2 divide 6 in 3 times. Okay. So you can see here all these number are prime numbers. So we write here 2 1 times, 5 we write as it is, and 3 we write as it is. Now next smallest prime number is 3. So 1 we write as it is, 5 we write as it is, 3 1 ja 3. Okay. And next smallest number is 5. Next smallest prime number is 5. So 5 divide 5 in 1 times. So we obtain here 1 1 1. Okay. So what is the LCM? LCM is the product of divisors. Okay. This is divisors 2 2 2 3 5. So we write here LCM of 8, 10 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24, 24 into 5 120. Clear? So in this we find the LCM of 8 and 8, 10 and 12 is 120. Clear? Now the greatest three-digit number is, what is the greatest three-digit number? 999. So the greatest three-digit number is equal to 999. Now we divide 999 by 120. Okay. So 999 divided by 120. Clear? So how many times? 6 times. 108 times. 128 ja 960. Okay. 960. Clear? So minus it. We obtain here 9 3. Okay. So remainder is 3. Clear? remainder is 39. So required number is, we subtract 39 from 999. So required number is equal to, our greatest 3-digit number is 999 minus remainder. What is the remainder? Remainder is 39. Okay, so subtract it. 0, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 3 6, and this is 9. So we obtain 960. Okay, 960 is the greatest number. That 960 is the greatest 3-digit number that are divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Let's see, this is given question. Determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So first we find LCM of 8, 10 and 12 by division methods. So in this way after LCM is 120. Okay, now we know that the 3-digit number, greatest 3-digit number is 999. So we divide 999 by 120. So here you can see we obtain remainder is 39. Okay, now if you after this you subtract 39 from the greatest 3-digit number 999, then we obtain the required number. Clear? 960 is the greatest 3-digit number which is divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Now we are going to solve question number 6. This is question number 6. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. If they change simultaneously at 7 am, at what time will they change simultaneously again? Okay, so here given 3 different road crossing, and the change of timing of lights, traffic lights is 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. This is given. They change simultaneously at 7 am. Okay, they change together at 7 am. At what times? He asked, at what times will they change simultaneously again? Means at what times will they change together? Okay, again. So 7 am they change together, light change together. We find after 7 am what is the time they change together. Okay, so and time of lights, each lights are given 72 seconds, 48 seconds and 108 seconds. So here we find LCM of 48, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. Clear? And we add the LCM. This is required time in 7 am. After we find LCM of these numbers, this is our required times after 7 am. Okay, so let's see how to solve it. Clear? We find LCM by division methods. Look, we find first LCM of 48, 72 and 108. Here we find LCM by division method. So for this we select smallest prime number which is divide at least two given numbers. Okay, so smallest prime number is 2. So 2 divide 48 24 times, and 72 36 times, and 108 54 times. Okay, now we again select the smallest prime number. This is 2 because 2 divides these three numbers. So here we obtain 12, 18 and 27. Clear? Now we select again 2 because 2 divides at least two numbers, 12 and 18. Here we obtain 6 and here 9, and 2 does not divide 27, so we forward 27 as it is. Clear? Now again 2 divides 6, so write here 2, 2 3 is 6, and 9 and 27 we write as it is because 2 does not divide it. Now 2 is not divide any numbers, so we select next smallest prime number, so we divide at least two numbers. So we suppose select 3. 3 divides all these numbers, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, and 9 3 is 27. Clear? Also we select 3, so we write 1 as it is, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, and here also we select 3, 3 1 is 3, sorry, this is not divisible by 3, 3 1 is 3. Okay, so you can see 4 times 2 and 3 times 3. LCM is the product of divisor. This is a divisor. Okay, this is a divisor. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, this is a divisors. Okay, the LCM is the product of divisors. So you write here LCM 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, this become 2 4 times 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 16. Okay, and this become 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. Clear? So 16 7 27 is, if you multiply 16 into 27 we obtain 432. 432, this is second. Okay, this is a 432 second. Clear? After 432 second, the three lights change together. Okay, so first we change 332 second. Okay, in minute. After 432 second, the light change simultaneously. Now we change 432 second in minute. Okay, so 432 second is equal to, if you divide 432 by 60, so you obtain 7 minutes 12 seconds. Okay, 7 minutes 12 seconds. 12 seconds. Clear? So the required time is, this is our required time, 7 am plus 7 minutes 12 seconds. You can write it 7 and 12 am. Okay, or you can say it 7 minutes 12 seconds past 7 am. Clear? Let's see again this question. The traffic lights at 3 different road crossing change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds. If they change simultaneously at 7 am, at what times will they change simultaneously again? Okay, so first we find the LCM of 48, 72 and 108. Okay, we find LCM by division methods. Okay, you can see here, and so we obtain LCM 432 seconds. Okay, so you can say that after 432 seconds the light changed simultaneously. Okay, so we change what is the exact times. For this we change 432 seconds in minutes, so we obtain 7 minutes 12 seconds. Okay, if you divide 432 seconds, so we obtain quotient 7. If you divide 432 seconds by 60, then it's become minutes. So in this way we obtain the 7 as a quotient and 12 is a remainder. So this is becomes minute and this is becomes seconds. Clear? So what is the exact times that the three lights are chained together? So that required time is 7 am 7 minutes 12 seconds. You can write like this, or you can say 7 minutes 12 seconds past 7 am. Okay. Now we are going to solve question number 7. Question number 7 have 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 434 liters, 465 liters of diesel. Okay, here given 3 tankers which contain 403 liter, 434 liter and 465 liter of diesel. Find the maximum capacity of container that can measure the diesel of 3 containers exact number of time. Okay, so you find maximum capacity of container which can measure the diesel of 3 containers exact number of times. Okay, so here he mentioned maximum capacity of container. So we find here HCF of the 3 tankers. Okay, it means that we find the HCF of 403, 434, 465. Okay, and HCF is maximum capacity of containers that can measure the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of times. Let's see how to find it. Here this is solution. The maximum capacity of container. Okay, so you find HCF of 403, 434 and 465. Okay, so you find HCF by factorization methods. Okay, so first you write factor of 403. Factor of 403. Okay, so factor of 403 is 30 into 31. Okay, both are prime numbers. Clear? This is prime factorization method to find HCF. First you write 403 in the form of prime factorization, and the next 434 we write 434 okay, in the form of prime factorization. So it's first divide 2 into 7 into 31. Okay, now we find prime factorization of 465. Clear? So prime factorization of 465 is 3 into 5 into 31. Okay, you can find it by division methods, like here 465. Okay, so at last digit is 5, so this is divisible by 5, you divide it by 5, so you have to here 5 9 are 45, 9 times, and 1 carry, it will become 15, so 5 3 are clear. Now sum of digit is 12, 9 plus 3 is 12, so it divisible by 3, it will become 31. Clear? 31 is the prime number. 31. Clear? So I hope all of you understood how to find the prime factorization of given number. So you can say highest common factor, HCF, is in 3 numbers 31, 31, 31. 31 is the highest common factor. See here, we write here 31. Okay. Here you find the HCF is 31. So the maximum capacity of container is 31 liters. Okay. So this container is measure of 3 container exact number of times. Clear? So look, this question again. This is given 3 tankers contain 403 liter, 434 liter and 465 liters of diesel. Find the maximum capacity of container that can measure the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of times. Okay, so you find its HCF. Okay, so here you find HCF by prime factorization methods. Okay, so first you find prime factor of given number. 403 is 13 into 31. Okay, prime factor of 434 is 2 into 7 into 31, and the prime factors of 465 is equal to 3 into 5 into 31. So you can see the highest common factor of these 3 numbers is 31. Okay, 31 is the highest common factors. So our HCF is 31. So we find HCF 31, and this is our required maximum capacity of container. Okay, 31 liters. Clear? Now we are going to solve question number 8. This is question number 8. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. Okay, so least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 and they leave remainder 5 in each case. Okay, so here you find LCM. Okay, LCM of 6, 15 and 18. So let's see how to find it. LCM of 6, of 6, 15 and 18 is equal to, so we find LCM by division method. Okay, so here we write 6, 18 and 15. Okay, so draw this line. We select smallest prime number who divide at least 2 digit to given number. So here the smallest prime number is 3. 3 divides 6 by 2 times 18. 6 3 are 18 and 5 times. Okay, also we take 3. We write 2 as it is. 3 2 are 6 and 5. Now we take 2, the smallest prime numbers, okay, who divides at least 2 numbers. Here we have to 1 and we write 5 as it is. So next prime number is 5. Clear? Here we write 1 1 5 1 5. So LCM is the product of divisors. Okay, so this is divisors. So we write here 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, so this is a 2 3 ja 6, 3 ja 18, 5 ja 90. So in this way we find the LCM of 6, 15 and 18 is 19. We find LCM by division method. So now what is our required number? If we divide 6, 15 and 18 by 90, so remainder is 0 in each case. Okay, so for required number VA plus 5, okay, in the LCM. This is clear? So required number is equal to number is equal to 90 plus 5. Okay, so it become 95. Clear? If you divide 6, 15 and 18, we obtain remainder in each case. Okay, if you any doubt, you can divide it 95 by 6. Okay, let's see 95 by 6. What is the remainder we obtained? Okay, 6 1 is 6. So here minus we obtain 3 and bring down this 5, so it's become 35. So 6 5 is 30. Okay, so what is the remainder? 5. Okay, now 95 divided by 10, 15. So what is the remainder? 15 6 is 90. Clear? So it's become, we might subtract it, you have to remainder 5, and let's see next number is 18. So 95 is divisible by, if you divide 95 by 18, so what is 18 5 is 90. Okay, so remainder is here 5. Clear? So in each case, if you find the remainder is 5, if you divide 95 by 6, 15 and 18, so our number is, required number is right. 95 is the right solution, okay, of this question. So you can see again this question. Find the list number which when divides 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. So first we find LCM of 6, 15 and 18. So we obtain 90, okay. By division method we find LCM. So our required number is 90 plus 5, because the 5 is remainder in each case. 90 divisible by 6, 15 and 18, okay. So we plus 5 in 90, we have to 95, okay. So our required number is 90 plus 5 is equal to 95, okay. Thank you for watching.